Welcome to Plus 1 CBSE Maths, Chapter 3, Trigonometry. Sum and difference of two angles. Using the property, we are solving the problems. Besides all NCERT problems, we are going for some extra problems. Already we have seen 45 sums. Now another 5 sums we are going to see. Question number 46. If a plus b equal to pi by 4, prove that 1 plus tan a plus into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. Same model. So I have put subdivision 2, cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1 equal to 2. They are actually two different problems. They will not be asked as a single problem. Only for the sake of the similarity, I have clubbed these two problems. Question number 47. Tan a minus tan b equal to x, cot b minus cot a equal to y. Prove that cot of a minus b equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. Find angle sin 18 degrees, cos 18 degrees, sin 36, cos 36. Here is also they will be asking only one part, either 18 degrees sin 18 or cos 18 or sin 36 cos 36, like that. Prove that tan 70 equal to tan 20 plus 2 tan 50, and last problem, cos x minus cos y the whole square plus sin x minus sin y the whole square equal to 4 times of sin square of x minus y by 2. Now I will go to the question number 40, which is important for you. Given a plus b equal to pi by 4, taking tan on both sides, tan of a plus b equal to tan of pi by 4, and we know tan pi by 4 is 1. Applying tan of a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b, that is equal to 1. Cross multiplying that, we are getting tan a plus tan b equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b. It goes here, so 1 into that, it remains. Let me take everything to this side. Tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b equal to 1. Is it okay? Tan a plus tan b minus of tan a, so it comes here and remains 1. In the next step, what do you do? Add 1 to both sides. Now these two, from these two you take tan b, so this is 1 and this is tan a. Remaining 1 plus tan a is there, so just you take 1 and write that 1 plus tan a. So the answer, we got it, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. We got it. The first problem is solved, first subdivision. Is it alright? So simple technique. Here we are adding 1 and here is all we are taking 1, and these two things we are clubbing and these two things we club it and do the factorization to find out the required answer. Now I go for the second part. For the second part also, you go ahead as we have done in the first part. You get up to this, cross multiply, and then what you do is tan a tan b you take it to this side, and this tan a tan b you take it that side. Divide by tan a tan b on both sides, we get 1 here, and this is 1 by tan a tan b, and minus tan a by this and minus tan b by this. The result, I can say this part is 1 by tan a tan b is nothing but cot a cot b. 1 by tan b, so minus cot b, and this is minus cot a. 1 by tan a is 1 by cot a. 1 by tan a, reciprocal of tan a is cot a, and this side we have 1. So as we had done in the previous one, add 1 to both sides. So adding 1 to both sides, so this is 1 plus 1. Here it will be 1 plus I am taking this cot A, cot B minus cot A, I have put it first, plus cot B, cot A minus cot B. So club these two things and club those two factors. So what you are getting here, 1 minus cot A. With this, when I am taking cot B minus cot B, you take it. So you will be getting 1 minus cot A. But we need cot A minus 1. So let us finish that. So this is 1 minus cot A and this is 1 minus cot B is equal to 2. That's what we are getting. Actually we want cot A minus 1 into cot B minus 1. Very simple, you take minus here. So this will become cot A minus 1. And from here also you take minus 1 minus. So you will be getting cot B minus 1. This minus and this minus will become plus. So we got the answer cot A minus 1 and cot B minus 1 equal to 2. So very much similar. So that's why I have clubbed it. But they will not ask you as a single problem. They will be asking two different problems. So we have done two problems of this model. Now I go for question number 47. Question number 47, tan A minus tan B equal to x. Cot B minus cot A equal to y. You have to prove that cot of A minus B equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. Let me start from here. Cot B minus cot A equal to y. Cot B is 1 by tan B. Cot A is reciprocal of tan A. This is equal to y. Now taking LCM, this part is tan A minus tan B divided by tan A and tan B. This is your y. But tan A minus tan B is given is equal to x. So I can say that tan A minus tan B by this, tan A minus tan B is given. Therefore, this is x divided by tan A tan B equal to y. Is it already up to this? Therefore, tan A tan B, it goes here and this y comes here, equal to x by y. So writing that x equal to y times or tan A tan B, and then saying that tan A tan B equal to x by y, I have just written like this. We want cot A minus B. Let me go for tan of A minus B. That is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan A minus tan B is tan A minus tan B is given is equal to x and 1 plus tan A tan B, we got it as equal to x by y. So this is x, this is x plus y by y, so it goes here. This is tan of A minus B, but we need actually cot A minus B. Cot A minus B reciprocal of tan A minus B. Therefore, x plus y by xy. You split up, this you will be getting 1 by x. So we have proved that cot A minus B equal to 1 by y plus 1 by x. A very simple one. We are asked to prove cot A minus B giving tan A minus tan B and cot B minus cot A. Started with cot B minus cot A, and with the help of that I found tan A tan B and then substituted for tan of A minus B, and then taken the reciprocal to get the answer. Question number 48. We have to find the value of sin 18 degrees, cos 18 degrees, sin 36 and cos 36. Let 18 degrees is theta. Multiplying with 5, this is 90 degrees equal to 5, therefore it is 5 theta. This 5 theta I can write it as 3 theta plus 2 theta. Therefore, what is 2 theta? 90 minus 3 theta. Taking sine on both sides, sine 2 theta equal to sine 90 minus 3 theta. Sine 2 theta is 2 times of sine theta and cos theta. Sine 90 minus 3 theta is first quadrant, so it is just simply cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta is 4 times of cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Taking cos theta outside, 4 cos square theta minus 3. And this side you have 2 times of sin theta and cos theta. You can cancel it. So you have 2 sin theta. 4 instead of cos square theta you write 1 minus sin square theta and then minus 3. So this is 4 times of sin square theta and then minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is simply 1. So 1 minus 4 sin square theta equal to 2 sin theta. Taking everything this side, 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus 1 equal to 0. See whether you are understanding up to this. So 4 sin square theta comes here plus, and 2 sin theta is already there, and 1 comes here, therefore it is minus 1. It is a quadratic equation. We have to solve for sin theta. So using the formula sin theta equal to minus b, we are using that formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where a is 4. So minus b minus 2 plus or minus b square 4 minus 4 into a into c, 4 into minus 1 divided by 2a. So it will be minus 2 minus b plus or minus b square is 2 square 4 minus 4 into a into c minus 4 into 4 into 4. The result is minus 2 plus or minus, here is minus, so becomes plus, and this is 4 plus 16, 4 4s are 16, this 4 divided by 2a, that is 8. So minus 2 plus or minus 16 plus 4 20, I can write it as 4 into 5, square root of that, so it becomes 2 root 5 by 8. After cancelling 2, this will become minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. That is, here we are taking 2 and 4 2s are 8, I have cancelled it. So the value of sin 18 is, we are getting two values, are minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. This is ruled out because theta lies in first quadrant, so it must be positive only. So sin 18 value is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Now after getting the sin 18 values, 18, theta is 18, therefore we got the value of sin 18. Now I go for cos 18. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, so taking the root I will be getting, so 1 minus sin square of that, so root 5, so 5 a square plus minus a minus b the whole square, so a square plus b square minus 2ab square, therefore this becomes 16 square root. The result is 1 minus 5 plus 1, 6, this is minus, this minus, so plus 2 root 5 divided by 16. So this becomes minus 5 plus 2 root 15, 1 minus 6, and this 16. Cancelling, so we cannot cancel anything. So the answer for the cos 18 is square root of this minus 5 plus 2 root 5 by 16. It can be simplified. 16 can be taken as 4 and then we can leave it as it is. Now coming to the next two parts, sin 36 and cos 36. After finding the value of sin 18 and cos 18, we can easily get the values of sin 36, cos 36. Cos 36 1 minus 2 sin square theta, cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Considering theta is 18, I can say get 1 minus 2 sin square 18. You know the value of sin 18, substitute and then simplify. Cos 36 you will be getting. Once you get cos 36, you can go for sin 36 by as 1 minus sin square 30, 1 minus cos square 36. That is sin 36 and square root of that. Or you can use this formula also, 2 sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin 18 cos 18, both the values you know, substitute and get the answer. So that is the 48th problem. Now I go for 49. We have to prove tan 70 equal to tan 20 plus tan 2 times of tan 50. Let me start with the tan 50. Tan 50 degrees can be written as 70 degrees minus 20 degrees. So tan A minus B. So this is tan 70 minus tan 20 divided by 1 plus tan 70 and tan 20. I want 2 tan 50. Here is 1 tan 50. So somehow if you can get this one as 1, problem is almost solved. So we know that tan 70 equal to tan of 90 minus 20 first quadrant. So tan theta becomes cot theta, tan 90 minus theta, but first quadrant is so positive. So instead of this, you can write tan 70, you can write cot 20. So this becomes tan 70 minus tan 20 divided by 1, and that is cot 20 and tan 20. Cot 20 and tan 20, they are reciprocal, so they become 1. So tan 50 equal to, the numerator will be as it is, and this is 2. So this is your tan 50. So cross multiplying, you will get 2 times of tan 50 equal to tan 70 minus tan 20. Otherwise we have to prove that tan 70 equal to, take this minus tan 20 to the other side. So you get the required answer, 2 tan 50 equal to tan of 70. Proved. Now last problem, 58th problem. Question number 58, cos x minus cos y the whole square plus sin x minus sin y the whole square equal to 4 times of sin square x minus y by 2. Expand it. So you will get cos square x plus cos square y minus 2 cos x cos y plus sin square x plus sin square y minus 2 times of sin x and sin y. On adding, what you are getting, cos square plus sin square 1, cos square y plus sin square y again 1, minus 2 times of cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. The result is that this is 2 and this is minus 2. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos x minus y. Taking 2 common, so this is 1 minus of cos x plus y. That is 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta we know as this 2, I have put it. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Here is plus, so cos x minus y, so minus y. So 1 minus of cos theta, that you remember as 2 times of sin square theta by 2. Already there is a 2, so 2 into 2 4, 4 times of sin square x minus y by 2. That completes the problem. So under this exercise, dealing with sum and difference of two angles, NCERT problems, in addition to that, extra problems which were asked in different schools in different years were discussed. I hope I have made everything very clear and you have understood also. If the class was up to your expectation, please do subscribe and suggest to your friends. Thank you for watching.